One, two, three, mic testing. Hello everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, after a long time I'm making this video, and also why I'm making this video is very important because today is my last flight. Okay?
So it's a very special flight for her. So everything she will do is like for a last attempt. So are you excited?
I am excited so much. So I thought that I'll just make a not exactly vlog, but I just wanted to capture this moment. So that's why I thought, because we were doing 4 sector, but already हम लोग का 3 sector हो गया है, but last sector. So I thought let's do it. Last flight.
Say hi. It's the last flight. We are about to close doors.
Our boarding is complete and we are ready for departure. So we're just waiting for captain's announcement to close doors. Okay.
We are done for the day.
Done for the day. So आपसे मैं विदा लेती हूँ.
We'll miss you, Subhani.
We'll meet on the occasion. Okay?
Yeah. So thank you so much for a lovely flight, and hope I'll see you again soon on board. Like, you are a passenger and I am a crew. Okay.
We'll
See
see.
you. Love you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.